It might be main bridge watch. Well, I'm gonna scout head west. Just hold here. Just hold. Just hold. Just hold. Just don't follow me. Just hold. Just hold. Don't follow me. Just hold right there. Okay, so this is looking like a main bridge watch bomb, which is a little bit scary. There is some actual easy gear people. Alright. Alright, just spawn on me here. Just spawn on me here. Q and W these guys. Alright, food check, food check, food check. Food check here. Just food check. Don't OC yet. Don't OC yet. So I walk on west here. Yeah, just be careful though. Just get ready because I change my directions a lot, so just get ready. Okay, come east. Actually, come east. Come east. Yeah, stay spread. That'd be actually pretty nice.
There's someone dismounted on top of us.
Yo, Q and W these mobs. Q and W. Yo, just stay spread here. Just stay spread.
Can you spam Jigsaw? Oh, I see you actually.
Just hold right here. Hold right here. We're not doing much right now. Actually, start walking south. We're gonna mount up here. Mount up, come east.
They have randoms as well, Jigsaw.
Yeah, I know. No, it's not an actual full size Zerg. Come west.
No.
Come up this hill. Dismount. Q and W these mobs here. Just start walking west. You wanna come along this these little sides here. Just remember to Q and W these guys. Actually, go back east. Go back east. But just Q and W that mob first. Q and W. Remember to stay spread here. Remember to stay spread. Stay spread. Stay spread. Just spread out. Spread out. Just hold right now. Just hold. You're gonna do a quick engage here, southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just these like 3 guys that are here. Actually, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back fast, pull back fast, pull back fast, pull back fast, back fast. Just back it up, back it up, back it up. Just hold, just hold, just hold, just hold. Come up this hill, stay spread and hold. Stay spread and hold. Yo, Q and W these guys. Don't let these guys walk up to into us. Garrity, south in 5. No, we're good, we're good. Just chill, just chill, just chill. Yeah, Q and W. I don't know why we're letting them walk first.
We can
Start
go.
walking west here. Yo, start walking west. Start walking west. Start walking west. Give me some heals up front. Just a little bit. Can you Q and W these guys, please? Okay. Yo, chill, 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 chill. Gardy, southeast in 5, southeast in 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, southeast down the hill. Southeast down the hill. All the way down. All the way down. Delete this. Delete this here. Delete this here. Delete that Cameron. Delete that Cameron. Okay, now hold. No, hold now. Hold now. Hold now. Hold now. Hold. Yo, just give me some heals. Give me some heals. Give me some heals. Don't let my guys die here. Don't let my guys die here. Don't let my guys die here.
Don't clump on the bodies, guys. Stay
No,
safe.
yeah, don't clump on the bodies. They're gonna take advantage of that. Yo, stay
Nobody loot, nobody loot.
Yo, hold. Yo, come west. Start coming west. Start heading west here. Start heading west. Guys, I need you to not clump on those fucking bodies, okay? I know the
They're
loot
coming
looks
in.
beautiful.
Defensives.
Yo, come west. Yo, just chill. Get ready. You're gonna go southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, on the hill again. They're all on the loot here. They're literally all on the loot. Delete that. It's fucking huge. Okay, now give me heals up front. Give me heals up front. I need my healers to step up. Healers, let's go. Step up for me. Give me stabilize here. Stabilize all the way here. Stabilize. Oh, don't let anybody die. Yo, what the fuck, healers? What the fuck? Why are you letting people die?
I got you, Gura.
Alright, come west here. Yeah, just come west. Just chill, just stabilize, because my guys are still down.
Their blob is shrinking.
Yo, just chill.
They're coming, Care. Their
Yo,
caller is Lemmy Wings.
just chill. Okay, start stepping up southeast. Gardy, southeast in 5, southeast in 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, just down the hill here. Just down the hill. Delete the stuff down this hill. There we go. Just Q and W here. Q and W these guys. Yo, start walking south.
They lost
Walk south
collar.
on the hill. Yo, walk south on the hill. Yo, good fight. Alright, you can mount up.
There's one guy here. They're jump. Careful, careful. The guys on the back looting.
Yo, just mount up. Okay, you can just kill these guys.
Wait, is it you guys in Domain Chasm?
No, we're in Rose Corpse. Alright, just kill this guy and we're gonna go to Domhain.
Uh, I tried 2 times to bomb and I failed 2 times. Like I got my healing boots, I got bopped by the Limus
Alright,
boss.
mount up here. Mount up and go southeast. Yo, we're gonna come back. Still plenty of content for you. Come southeast. Some southeast in contact here. Some southeast. Okay, so that fight was a little weird because like the heals were like I don't know. The heals are weird. Some people are getting full health and some people were literally like 1 bar, like a whole minute. Come to the underway here. So they're in Domhain, you said?
That fight, their collar was using say chat to call. I like that.
Yo, did I say to OC? I don't think I did.
I don't think you did,
I said food, yeah.
but
Some people OC'd anyway. That's it's
but
whatever.
I'm brain damaged, so
Zone them to the underway here.
you got enough space in party one, Jigsaw? I
Oh
only
yeah,
got one other
two
person in
people
my
left.
party.
Yeah, 2 people
Okay,
left.
then
So
then Gleiser, leave it and except for Jigsaw.
alright. Start coming north here. Come north. I don't know why those 2 people left. Still had plenty of fucking shit to do.
Zone check, zone check.
Probably
You got-
rats got all the
We're
loot.
underway.
Nah,
Go.
they got killed by the 4-1 for the 4-1 blob. They got salty.
We're in Molag Crevasse. We're gonna be in Molag Crevasse. Marlock's in their outpost capturing on. So north. Alright, start coming northeast here. Let's go fight some Len. Spider, you wanna beam people? Because we already have like another enigmatic. Go beam like a Parma or something. Just for fun. Ikun's on northeast in contact here. It's on northeast. Alright, come northeast. Where did one go?
You have quite a long tail.
Alright, well, if we don't find Lim and Door, we can always go to some. No, where are all my people at? We're Craig and McGee right now, so we're about to get another fight, so.
Is that Thetford or Lim and Cragdor?
I'm pretty sure it's Lim.
Limhurst.
Okay.
T triple up, I think.
They're tier 2? Where'd their tier 4 go? Alright, zone northeast on contact here into the tunnel. Once you just once you get to the other side of the gate, you can just zone in the tunnel. Yeah, you can just zone on contact. Don't wait for me. Just zone. Just zone here. Oh, they're bigger than I thought. Yo, come directly south. We're not even bombing it. Come south. Come south.
Oh, good job deblobbing, guys.
Really? Yo, come south. Come south. Let's go. South. I still have dots going east. Let's go south. Uh, just regroup on me. Regroup on your blue dot here. Oh my god, we're literally deblocked. This is amazing. I've never seen this before.
We're about to blob.
Yo, regroup on me. Let's go. What the fuck? Oh my, those two dots over there to the east. You guys are not helping.
Kick him, kick him.
They are leaving. They are going southeast. I'm there.
Come west. Come west. They have a caller. They have a caller. They have a caller. Come west. See caller. Come west. I need you. Okay, I have everyone here. Good. My party's a little bit messy because just a little bit short on DPS. Just a little bit, like maybe one or two. All right, yo, just follow me. You're gonna OC. Actually, no, not yet, not yet, not yet. We need to actually see them first. Right now, you're just chilling. Right now, you're just
The
chilling.
ping is them. Is them. The one in front of them
Yo,
is
come south. Come
randoms.
south. Yo, come south. Come south. Come directly south. Come west. Come west. Come west. I need you guys not to loot this fight. I know looting is great, but I need you to to chill out on the looting. Not gonna say don't loot, but you need to chill out on the looting. OC for this fight. We're OCing for this shit. Come west. OC if you have it. Let's go. Come west. Come up the hill north. Yo, Q and W these mobs. Just Q and W. Okay, mount up, mount up, mount up, mount up. Can we mount up here? I want to go fight
Yeah.
somewhere else. All right, come northeast, come northeast, come northeast here, come northeast here, come northeast here. We chilling? Okay, good. We chilling. Come northeast. Oh no, Gira, no. Okay, come west. I don't want you to die. You're actually my dummy. You're pretty important. Yo, dismount here. Dismount here. Dismount on me. Dismount on me. Oh shit. Okay, start walking west here. Yo, we're split, guys. Come to me. Come to me. Come to me. Come to me. And come south. Come south of the hill. Come south of the hill. Get ready. Okay. Yo, just chill. Just chill. Okay, walk down back the hill north. Walk down north. Yo, girl, are you good? Come north. Come north with me here. Yo, just chill. Just chill. Just chill. Just keep going north. Keep going north. Keep going north. Yo, go in the dungeon here. Can we go in the dungeon? Go in the dungeon here. Go in the dungeon. Go in the dungeon. Go in the
People are in
dungeon. Go.
combat. People are in combat.
Oh, okay. Okay, yo, just no. Keep going north. Keep going north. Wait, what? Why is half my party dead?
They
No,
catch
they're in
them.
dungeon.
We all.
They're in dungeon.
We all gonna die.
Wait, why is half my party dead? Okay, just get
We all
out.
gonna die. They
Then.
catch 'em.
Fucking.
Wait, you guys are in a dungeon? Yo, just get out then. Just get out. Just get out.
There were people who were in combat who couldn't zone in dungeon. There were people who zoned in dungeon.
Yeah, are we getting coming back? Or no? Or is that bandit?
I think that might be it.
So half of you are in the dungeon? Is that because
I think people were in combat. They couldn't zone. Also, Thefrit's fighting Lim. If you want to make a bomb squad right now, I'm down.
because
They're
literally I only
fighting
saw
Lim and
3 people
Door.
zone in. I only saw
No,
3
it
people zone
was
in.
more like 7 or 8 inside.
I'm just so confused because I look over and half my party is dead.
Um, I I think healer got caught when we were pulling back. 2 of them,
Yeah,
and
you
then
lost
Gura
your
got caught as
DPS
well.
on a
Yeah,
healer.
yeah. Like it wasn't your fault. It was them being out of position. And they didn't pop boots or anything. I was watching.
Well, because I thought half my party was just dead. Like I was just walking, we were walking, and I looked over, and it's just like half my party is missing. I was like, okay. That's when I wanted to go back for a Gura. Gura was in a safe position, and when we're walking down, half my party is just gone. That's
I
that's
did
the thing.
say to go with the dungeon right before, so that's unless it's like
Oh, okay. Well, you guys want to regear and come back and fight the Lim?
Thetford just ran from Lim. No fight. No fight.
Yo, the people that are my party, are you down to regear? Or...
yeah, I'm
I
down.
am.
Again, does anybody have a VOD? Because I'm still confused what happening. Because I go back for Gura, we're all regrouped and stuff like that, and then I walk down like a second later, half the party is just missing. Okay,
I think Okan has it.
okay.
Oh, never mind. I mean, I think what happened there was you made the call to go to dungeon, and then half of us went in, and then you changed your mind a second later.
I'm down to bomb if you are.
Whoever has a VOD, please share it, because again, I have no clue. We called enter the dungeon. Some couldn't, some did, and there are people who got left behind after you said don't enter the dungeon. Almost half the party got inside the dungeon. Okay.